I thought I was grounded, bro.
I don't know if Bella can swim.
I'm sure she can. She's got so much body fat. I'm not even being funny. I mean, that's...
Can you see when she fell in the pool?
Yeah, she didn't sink though.
That's what.
That's the important part. This is the incident for everybody questioning where Anthony died, or almost died.
YouTube videos yet to be uploaded.
Yeah, I'm waiting for content, you know.
Yeah, you haven't uploaded like 3 months.
We give our daily shout out.
Who's gonna be the shout out today, gentlemen?
Out, Justin Clifton.
Oh, he got banned actually. He's a Patreon supporter. Ah, the water was yet to come again.
Clouds opened up.
Someone's jumping from the top. You'll see that video next, probably. The high dive.
That boy Frenchie, yes sir.
This is where Anthony almost died, right here. This is where the incident occurred. It was much harsher conditions.
He tried climbing on the ladder.
We almost had to do an evasive maneuver and get him to that dock over there.
The lady was just standing on her back.
The lady who called emergency services was standing back there.
Bro, he can stand up, bro.
That is where 6'2" Anthony almost drowned in 5 foot of water. All right, we'll see y'all when we get there, boys. Peace out. Peace and butt grease. What's up, guys? We're out here, back on the river. These peasants, too scared to jump first, so I had to climb up here, be the man like always.
Hey, fall backwards.
I call this the flying eagle.
You better jump, bro. You better fall backwards.
Man, I just feel like I'm on top of the earth when I'm up here, you know? I'm not scared, I'm just trying to get a good panorama.
You're wasting time. Stop turning around, you're gonna fall.
All right, boys, wish me luck.
Time. Just go.
Tell my mom I love her.
Go.
It's freaking, it's really cold. I'm not scared of the jump, I just know it's freezing.
You're gonna go into shock?
All right, boys.
Jump.
Who's going next? I want to know, because I'm going to record from the water.
Wasting time.
Wasting time? Cody's going next. Like I said, look how he fell off. What a loser. Most people don't. Holy shit.
Recording.
Hey, there's the boat.
I'm good.
2, 1.
Oh! We haven't quite mastered the whole one-way thing yet.
I guess we gotta let go.
10,
No.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! Did you touch the bottom? Okay. Chill out, Anthony. How much you swallowed, bro?
Damn, bro. My kidneys hurting, bro. Like, I don't know, weird, ugly ass.
That's where the gators are.
Yeah. Probably they're lovely people such as these gentlemen love to, you know, probably send my boat up into there. It's just saying though, so we should be good. Wasn't too bad. I thought it was that big one. Y'all about ready to go? Here, I'm gonna jump like 1 or 2 more times and we can go. On the boat?
I'll drive.